Morning. 27th of March 2024. We are watching Nasdaq. 2 minutes still open. That's the bookmap for Nasdaq. We do have some liquidity up to 18,600. We did take that buy side liquidity on RTH from yesterday, and we are pushing higher, just approaching yesterday's open. So basically we are gapping up. Yesterday's close was 472, and at the moment we are trading, as you can see, at 570. So we are basically gapping up 100 points. ES looks similar. ES just approaching another buy side liquidity, which you can see here on RTH. 5294.25 and a quarter, right? And I'm gonna move this one. Market is open. So let's see if we can short this. If we can short this, gap. ES was pushing towards that RTH. Bookmap, we are watching Nasdaq at the moment. Here's ES. We'll be trading Nasdaq. Big boys on ES are actually selling minus 700. On Nasdaq we have buyers. It's interesting. Let's have a look how they're gonna play this open. It looks like the initial reaction is to sell. We're trading today a paid account. I trade Apex account. Interesting drop. Yeah, it was basically, should have jumped on that immediately. Ooh. Look at that. Massive drop at the open. We already dropped 40 points. Approaching VWAP. I'll try to catch along for a little bounce somewhere here. Now this can continue. Actually, this is a huge candle. Yeah, so we kind of missed because I didn't expect we're going to just dump it immediately. That was the place to get short before the open. Okay, we're approaching fair value gap here. Let's see what we're gonna do with it. Probably a drop somewhere here to 518 would be interesting. I'm gonna try to buy that somewhere here. You're gonna give it to me. Try to buy one more somewhere here. I'm trading M and Q. Let's see. No. We might get a bit lower. There is a buy side liquidity here, like a minor one. Pretty much that level. Wow. So that will be basically that place. Okay, so I just wait and see till we get that. What a move. There we got some trapped buyers, trapped sellers here, which are getting out. Let's see. I mean, I don't see any liquidity here, so I'm a little bit trying to catch the falling knife. Okay, VWAP bouncing on the VWAP. I do definitely. Let's quickly have a look on ES, what ES is doing. All right, okay. Let's see if we can. Oh, we just check something. All right. Delta on it, minus 1000. Huge 5-minute candle. Huge one. I mean, like, unless they want to close that inner gap, which would be here, 73. There we go. We're in with the first parcel. Let's see if we continue. Oh god. Yeah, we do continue. Oh, I add another one. Should get a bounce from here because here's another buy side liquidity. And that's my. Oof. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. All right, now we're gonna get out from here first. Okay, so that thing didn't work. At least not yet. Excuse my French. This thing just dropping. Dropping. What was it drop? 72. Wow, almost 100 points. Almost 100 points. There we go. Oh, what a massive drop. Okay, so they did take this liquidity. They did take this one as well. We took a small loss on this, $36 on this trade. ES is holding actually. Nasdaq is falling. ES is holding. That's interesting. So let's quickly have a look on shares. Alphabet is dropping. Apple's kind of greenish. Microsoft is falling as well. Amazon, Meta. Yeah, but I think we found the bottom. We can still continue lower because the momentum is to the downside. So let's see. Here we have an order block. That's the order block. Five minutes order block. That's the close as well from yesterday. Let's just put that on the chart. That liquidity has been taken. This one has been taken. I'm going to remove that. Just keep this one as a reference. Nasdaq is still weak. What ES is doing? Okay, so we are bouncing off that view up on ES. It does look like NQ would like to close that inner gap. We have a couple of points to get there. I will try to catch along here. See if we can get it. Do I see any liquid? Okay, we have a liquidity at 450. Well, that's much lower. We have to just watch that and see how market's gonna behave once we enter this order block. This is order block, but this is electronic data time frame. Yeah, we almost got there. Okay, so we are getting some reaction of this order block. We do. That's the close. We're about to close inner gap. I think that would be a better option. Just to try to catch this here. Yeah, the pressure is still there. Not sure if we're not going to continue higher from here. So what they've done yesterday, somebody bought that and just basically drove this up here. Let's quickly have a look on, yeah, so somebody bought that yesterday and drove it up here into this buy side and sold. Same thing on ES. Same story. They did sell into this buy side liquidity. There was a decent range. Okay, so let's think. Let's look where it would be nice. It would be sensible to buy this. And this to me is an open drive sell. We're just trading 15 minutes, not even that. And we already dropped from 72 to 87 and 90 points. So that's overnight low. And here we got 440 level. Used to this low. I think we're gonna continue lower now. So I don't see any liquidity up here. Let's quickly look at Microsoft. Okay, Apple is pushing higher. Microsoft. Let's just switch this to 15 minutes as well. Okay, Alphabet is selling. Nvidia is selling like crazy. Ooh. I mean, it is selling. Okay. What's in the calendar? FPC meeting minutes, FPC statement. That was everything in the morning. Crude oil inventories in 45 minutes. The FMOC member Waller speaks, but at the end of the day, so nothing to watch. Nothing to watch. $46, $9.46 UK time. Sorry, New York time. We are approaching VWAP and then Q. Oops, something happened to my bookmap. Looks like my bookmap is hanging. Okay, I'll have to restart it. Okay, my bookmark is back. something happened to it. And this is yes. Nasdaq is a little bit. It's not bringing me the previous data, but that's okay. So let's watch ES for a while. It's interesting that ES, I mean Nasdaq dropped like a stone, but Nasdaq dropped like a stone, but ES is just holding up the. You can see this here probably if I move it. That's what it is. ES is just holding. Nasdaq dropped. So very interesting, I can say. I'm a little bit upset that this is not showing me the levels and everything. But it's okay. It will refuel everything here. Okay. ES is falling as well now. $52. 952. So they have. There you go. Okay, they're approaching this close. Close was ending up 74. $2,000 delta. That's a big candle. Very bearish. Could just get another leg down. Could just get another leg down. That's gonna be difficult. Difficult. I was thinking about getting short up here, but two technical issues here. And now, okay, 54, 954. Look at that. Now ES is falling as well. NQ is dropping. Okay. Oh, so they did drop down here. They went through this. Through this liquidity. Sorry, 15. So we do have that liquidity down here for 50. Almost here. Are they gonna go there and take it? That's the low of yesterday. 440. Okay, ES is falling as well. Four minutes to close out this period, eh? There we go, 40.45. And Q is selling. And Q is selling. Yeah. There's another level, 416. 416. I think we might bounce from here. Because if I measure this move, ooh, that will be a distance 430. I don't see any liquid down here. 58, so I got 2 more minutes. Most of the time what market will do, it will bounce a little bit, and then it will take these stops on a full A period. And then we should get down a little bit, maybe here, start bouncing up and retrace. Maybe even to view up. Yeah. So I'm going to position myself with my 5 MNQ or contracts on the buy side. ES is still holding. 1 minute. Okay, let's try to get that here. There is this problem as well with NQ is this. Let me just quickly have a look. And we haven't got much of liquidity down here. Once we break that, 412, we can just basically fall down here. That would not surprise me, but at the same time, we dropped 120 points right now. Okay, now they are taking the stops on this A period. They've just taken it. We're gonna bounce. We're gonna bounce. Let's just watch this closely. What about ES? ES has done that. Hasn't done it yet. They still have the stop losses on ES. So I'm thinking I'm gonna wait 4 years to do that. I mean, that's a risky trade, but at the same time, they have taken a lot of liquidity. A lot. There we go. He has just took the A period. Oh, it's falling. I don't like that. I don't like that. It's very bearish. Ooh. I don't like that, to be honest. Watching closely, yes, and I see ES is selling. ES is selling as well. But there will be a little bounce out of this at some point. Maybe they're gonna go and grab that level. They should. Alright, I mean, let's see if that's gonna work now. Let's just give it a little bit of space. Oh, we're just gonna continue to the downside. Ooh. Taking stops. ES is taking stops as well. Just took the stops. Yes, so I mean, you have to be very quick here. Very quick. Let's see if Nasdaq's gonna pull right now. Let's see if they're gonna do something here. The plan for them is just to continue lower. Risky trade. No bounce. No bounce. No bounce. Too close. They took it. Oh, they took it. All right. Let's see. Now we might bounce this now. Now we can get a bounce. It was a final burst. Come on, NQ. You have everything. It's a good place to bounce. Okay, we're gonna take some, as we're basically coming back into this range. We are down $98. I'll try to re-enter a bit lower if I can. No? Yeah, but I need to get a better price to get back in. So what ES has got? Okay, ES found some support down here. I like that. Let's see what NQ is gonna do now. All right, we're just gonna. Oof. Ay, ay, ay. All right, we got it. Let's see. This is NQ. Let's see if we're gonna get back to 450. Somewhere here. All right, we're gonna get minus 28 for the day. So we managed to get back our loss. Almost. Let's just wait for another dip. One more time. Should get a bounce from here. $143. They are trying on Bookmap. Good. All right, we're just gonna take it. Plus 41 on the day. Okay, so we took the bad start. Market is very negative today. I mean, whoever was buying the open, so he just already done with it. So yeah, we did tap into into this into the high. Let me just switch into sorry, NQ, but RTH. Let's quickly have a look. Yeah, okay, so we are basically, we dipped into this fair value gap on the 15 minutes, this one and that one. So this is still a very good level to buy. 10 past 10, 10 past 10, yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I want to buy this, but I want to dip. I want this market to dip a little bit. If it doesn't do it, then I'm gonna wait. Because what I don't like, 3,757 delta on a negative delta, 3,587 negative delta. I mean, I know we did take a lot of stop losses, and should bounce a little bit, but at the same time, what if we don't? Plus yes, is still within the range, still inside within yesterday's range, you know. So I'm gonna wait till they. So Nasdaq is just continuing to the downside. It's difficult to be a seller here. Definitely difficult to be seller right now at this place. But okay, I like to take a little stop at this level, because now they have collected, you know, early buyers. These are quite decent ranges. And even if they are trying to go lower, they will most likely push through this size to take people out. That's how market does everything. Whoops. All right, let's just move the stop here because I want to add. I'm just adding partials. Okay, that's it. That's it. Let's see if we're gonna bounce right now. It's a beautiful clearance. What they've done. They did take that low. Everybody who was long gave back position. And now we can just push up. And I'm gonna close my first position, which wasn't in the best place. And I'll close the second one as well because I can see it's getting a little bit weaker. That brings us $290 up. Today. Let's wait for another entry. You know, when you start, I mean, this is what I like to do. When I start the day and I'm a little bit down, my first goal is to bring myself back to break even. It's a psychological thing. It's a psychological thing, definitely. So I'm kind of grabbing little, you know, little moves and trying to grab here and there to bring myself back. This is still a sell side liquidity take. They are taking sell side liquidity, and it's 10, 14, 10, 15. 10, 15. The question is, I don't see any liquidity up here. I don't see much liquidity. I mean, there is somebody waiting, but I don't know. Okay, we can continue higher. I might just basically so I don't like the timing. I mean, yeah, like I said, they will take that and now they're going to push through this. And even if market is trying to go lower, it can turn around later and continue to the downside. But thank you is very bearish. All right, so whoever was short from here didn't close. Now it's gonna be buying back. So what are we going to do now? Approaching VWAP on Bookmap. Are we gonna bounce? Are we gonna drop? Let's quickly have a look on the S as well. And there is a little bit of space. They detect that level. Big boys, 2900. NQ negative. Minus 800 negative. Nvidia selling. Still, I mean, it's bouncing right now, but this is negative day. Yeah. Let's see what they're gonna do at the view up here. How about we just push up here? 38. That's the fair value gap. We just enter it. $15 fair value gap as well. Let's look at the 3 minutes. 46. It's the same place. Okay, and keeps pushing into this 46. $34. 19. Tempted to start thinking about short here. But at the same time, delta is 1,600. Quite decent. Let's wait. Let's wait a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, I would like this price to get to 40. I don't know if I'm gonna get it. 21, 10:21. So we are 51 minutes from the open. And yeah, I don't want to see a push. ES is dropping. This is very, very weak day. Well, look at that. Okay, they bought a dip. You can see a little bit of liquidity here at 62. What is it at 62? No. Very difficult. Huge range. $22. I got a feeling that we're just gonna continue lower all day. If we break that now, if we break that, we are going down here. There's not much liquidity down here, not much resistance. Yes. Same story. Okay, somebody on Q is trying to get 450. 445. That makes sense. Something is wrong with this view up. Session start. Mm-hmm. 25. I don't want to short here, to be honest. I don't want to short this, to be honest. It's too low. All right. Yeah. I think I'm gonna. I quite like that drop. 26. I think it's 10, 26 we could, but now we can just limit the risk. We could bounce because of the timing. We have stop losses up here. I'm just gonna go only 5 contracts. I'm not gonna be adding because I'm counter trading right now. And I'm gonna be very, very quick to grab my profit. Yeah, I want to see that a test of that view up on NQ. I have 3 more minutes. We could just try to push into these stops. It's 37. No? Which way it's gonna be? So we are trading right now this buy side liquidity grab on NQ. That is technically our stop loss supposed to be down here. And but I'm not gonna give that much. I can see a little bit of bouncing on the tick chart as well. Is pushing a bit higher. But yeah, just don't want to have too tight stop loss. Got 2 more minutes, and basically, if they decide to move higher, we might get a decent push higher. Especially they did take that low. They have collected. They need to sell it now. So they could sell it into the stop losses here. Yeah. Let's see if they're gonna do that. All right, 1 minute to 19 seconds on this candle. No, we will know. Just in the middle. 6. 3 more seconds. They should go up there to sell it because somebody was buying. Need to push it into this minor liquidity. Otherwise, if we go lower, then we're just gonna fall. We're just gonna fall. All right. Drums on bookmap, pumping. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right. That brings us to $430. I did close it. The reason for this is that's the week. Not much liquidity up here. And it's enough to go up here to sell into the stops. I mean, stops are here, but bear in mind we are going against the trend with this pushes. So every time you do that, you have to be quick. To me, that looks like a bearish day. There you go. Look at that. 3,000 contracts sold, 3,000 and 3,700, 3,000, 1,300, 3,587 contracts sold. What do we see on the buy side? Not much. I mean, there's 1,300 sold. Here we had 1,200. That's obviously shorts closing position. Here, a similar situation. And I don't see buying yet. I don't see buying here. We might have to wait. We might have to wait actually for a push up here, come back to this resistance, into the support. So if we push higher and then come back down here and we hold, then we're gonna go. But for now, I'm just waiting. I'm waiting and I'm pretty happy with this $400. Very, very, very difficult day. I didn't expect that we might just drop immediately at the open. I mean, like from the first minute. That's pretty much what we did. Oh, let's put a line here. Here was the open, right? What was the open? 67. There you go, that's the open. Let's make it pink. There we go. The trick is as well to know when to leave casino. Yeah, but there you go. Okay, we're pushing now. Right. Okay, so we have the stop losses up here. Let me remove this line. Don't need it anymore. We don't need that line either, because we did take our stop losses here. That was this sell side liquidity. Let's do the same thing here. So there you go. That's the sell side liquidity. That's the sell side liquidity. And that was the sell side liquidity. Okay. That's the buy side liquidity, which we had. No, it wasn't buy side, it was sell side as well. Yeah. That's the open. So at the moment, here's the buy side liquidity. It's a minor one. Not many. stop losses up here. That's the one here, basically. And the question is, are they going to push for it? Yes or no? And if they do, are we going to continue higher? Let's quickly look at the market as well. Internals. It's RTH. It shows like market is buying. Really? Nice is in green. That doesn't make sense. 17, 80, 110. We do have a little bit of liquidity up here, up to 50. We have this. We had that level here, 450. That looks like they're gonna go. Boom. Okay. So whoever was short, it will give. It will have to cover. We're at 38. 10:38. Still plenty of time. They could sell. Entering fair value gap right now. On the 15. That's the one here. I'm really tempted to short this, but I need to see what they're gonna do here. I don't want to short in this place. Plus, I don't know, something wrong with the VWAP here, because the VWAP is over here on RTH. Electronic. VWAP is up here on electronic. Time frame on RTH. So the red lines are sell side liquidity, RTH or electronic, and blue lines are buy side liquidity. Let's just put that here because we did take that one. We did take this one. We sold here. Big boys minus 1,000. So you can see how we are going from minus 130, 300, minus 400, minus 500, 600, minus, just going down. Basically, even when the price is pushing higher, big participants, these are people, banks, or who are buying, placing orders bigger than 10 contracts on Nasdaq. 10 contracts is $200 per point. CFDs from 1 to 9, so these are smaller participants and they are selling as well. If we look at ES, that's opposite. ES is actually going higher. You know, we've been 700, 1,300. Okay, we did push here to 2,700. And 10 or bigger. Yeah, just basically 10 or bigger. And they're buying. ES is looking much better. If you look at ES, we are still in the yesterday's range. That's yesterday. We are trading in the range of yesterday's price action. While NQ dropped below. And we are struggling to come back up. The reason for that is probably, you know, Nvidia, everyone is watching Nvidia. They don't like it because Nvidia almost got to $1,000. Actually, if I switch this here, Nvidia. Where's Nvidia? Here. So Nvidia is selling today. Look at that. We had 974 was the top. That was yesterday. That was, I think, what is it today? Monday. That was Monday. Today is Wednesday. That was yesterday. And today, look at that. Just dropping. Nobody wants it. That's the reason why Nasdaq is going down. Yeah. 43, 44. 1044. Hmm. 1,000 delta. So sellers are coming in all the time. Nvidia. Yeah, Nvidia did exactly the same thing as Nasdaq, pushed into the stops. And immediately sold. All right. I think we're gonna go down. Even the ES cleared that liquidity up here. And Q has got the 0. I mean, we did take that one. Nice. Somebody was hoping for 65. I think 45. What do we have here? I don't know. This is not the time yet. That's 45, so they will have another another candle, another 5 minutes candle. And delivery is at 50, from 50 to, it will be deliverable from 10:50 till 11:10, according to ICT concept. Okay, pressure is to the downside. Clearly see this. And I'm thinking it's not the best entry here. There was a much better up there. We do have a little bit of liquidity up here. 35, so we might get back on the next candle, maybe even higher, to 36. This candle has got 2 more minutes. I mean, if we drop, there's nothing here. These guys will have been wiped here. I mean, if you were short here, you closed, you had plenty of time to close. Not gonna be much resistance at this level. And I think ES should do the same thing, take that low. Look at that. $30 more seconds here. Bounce back. God damn it. No, don't jump on it. Don't chase. Don't chase. Liquidity here. All right. 250. Let's wait for the bounce. So they did take 15 minutes candles now. That's always a danger. They took that 15 minutes and they didn't take that one. ES took all of it. So ES basically took all the stop losses, closed the inner gap, bouncing off this. Let me just bring this here so you can see. Took all of this 1, 2, 3, 15 minutes candles, bouncing off this order block. That's the order block. Let's put the order block here. Bouncing off of it. The time is 51. They could grab it and just pull it up if they want to. And Q took that 15 minutes. Liquidity liquidity on the 15 minutes candle. Yeah, this is why I'm saying don't chase it. That's not the time for a drop. And plenty of shorts are very happy to go, oh yeah, let me just sell it. And now they can grab them and push into this high. 45, 53, even here. Let's see. It's possible. Quick look on ES. Okay, liquidity down here. This is like a final liquidity. So I don't see anything. Okay, we have a little bit, but not a lot. We do have some. Ideal scenario, bounce of it, go somewhere higher, distribute, and then drop it at the end of the day, pretty much. That would be a scenario I would like to see. Especially that ES, okay, 916, they're still holding this contract. They're buying this contract. Look at it, 1000, 53, 53, 1053. Watching ES liquidity. I like the fact that that ES took that 15 minutes candle, all of it, all of those 15 minutes candles. And if we bounce now, there'll be plenty of shorts. 53, 54. What do we see? This is good. This is 1000. Delta is 1000. It's quite decent. All right, let's try along this. Like a final long, really. Because if we go, we're gonna go up here. Somewhere there. Maybe not up there, but. What ES is doing. All right. $55. So delivery from 50 to 10 past. Let's see if we're gonna get it. It looks promising. $56. So we have stop losses at 44. Let's see if we get that. To and through. Because that's going to be a complete surprise to shorts. And okay, 57. This could be the best long of the day. Yeah, ES is holding as well. Tick chart is approaching 0. Let's see if we're gonna jump above 0 and start to go higher. A bit of resistance here. Two more minutes. One more minute on this candle. There we go. ES is pushing as well. There we go, that's what we want to hear. Drums. Up to 440. Come on. Ay, ay, ay. What now? Hmm. All right. 11 o'clock. Which way it's gonna be? Good. The right way, at least for now. And acceleration to the upside. If both wants to do it, they need to do it right now. Come on. Break that high. Break that high and continue to 47. Come on. I got still 3 minutes on this candle. Oops. Don't like that. Hmm. God damn it. I still want to hold this. Hmm. No. They had time to do it. I might enter again, but at the moment, I don't like that. Try one more time here. They pulled the liquidity down. Hmm. Let's see the base. Yes, it's looking okay. This is Nasdaq. Kind of. All right, that's good. That's good. That's promising now. Uh, Second entry long. Come on, if we're gonna continue now. Yeah, I think we will. It's looking much better. After that drop. Come on. Quick look at Nvidia. Okay, Nvidia took the 15 minutes. Bounce here to 904. Yeah. This could be good. Yeah. Hmm. Tough. Hmm. ES is holding all the time. Yeah, it's holding this level. Okay. This could be it. This could be it. Let's go to this 45. Maybe even higher. Mm-hmm. We have to go through that 30. We need to go through that 30. Come on. Yeah, looking good now. It is looking good. Come on. Still a little bit of selling up here, but $3.10. 47 seconds on this candle. Let's see how this candle's gonna close. Okay. Yeah, take that 30. We need to we need to go above 30 and hold 30. And then the next stage, next stop is 47.50. ES is looking better as well. It's pushing higher. Everything says we should go higher. But today is such a bearish day that I don't know. God damn it. But they should sell into this buy side liquidity at 45. They should. Because why not, you know? You have spent here an hour buying, stopping that move to the downside. God damn it. 4 minutes on this candle. 11:11. I'm getting tired of this fucking thing. No. No. Don't like that. What ES is doing here is okay, ES has got a lot of liquidity down here. So I might grab that first. Go down here and grab it. week. Basically here. Get down here, grab all of it. $11.13. Just wait. Mhm. God damn it. They robbed me. It looks decent now. Okay, this is my final try on this thing. It has to go. Yeah. Slowly giving back my profits. Maybe now. Okay. I think we have it. To go for this 30. and hold. There we go. Come on. Do it. ES took 15 minutes, half an hour actually. Stop losses on 15 and another 15 minutes candle. NQ has done it as well right now. That's the question. Are we gonna continue? The moment of truth. Hmm. 1 minute on this candle. Are you gonna buy that? No, I'm out. No. That's what I'm talking about. ES took that 15 and 15 liquidity and started to drop. Same Nasdaq. Nasdaq took that 15 minutes. They still have this one, but can still go higher, but we can re-enter it later. But I'm gonna wait to see. I still would prefer if we go down here and grab this. Go down here, grab this, and then we're gonna go up. That will be the best trade. They will have the liquidity from here, and then they could sell it up there. But are they going to do it? I don't want to short it because we found support in this area, and I'm expecting fire. $21, $25, grab it, and whoosh, let's go up. That's how I would like to see it. Two, 8 more minutes. Now I'm not going to chase this here. I want to see this liquidity to be taken. And if they don't take it, then I'm done for the day. I just take this $300 and 336 and I'm done. It's 336. It's just too tempting to go and take it. Take it and then come up. Mm-hmm. I could sell before lunch. So it's 24, 11:24. Go and grab that and push high and sell and go for lunch. Sell side liquidity. Let me put this as well here. That's the sell side liquidity. Drop here. We have space to 400. Yeah. Okay. 5 more minutes. Drop and up. $400. Buy this like that. I just want to say, wait for the confirmation. I'm gonna wait for confirmation. I'll just jump on it once I see that they took it and they want to buy it. 4 minutes more. Can just put this file order here, and if we drop, then I'm gonna move it. They could even go down here. Right. They can even go down here. Although I don't see that on Bookmap, I don't see it in the level. I mean, there is somebody waiting at 380. Sunny in London. 2 minutes. Yeah, ES has got 5 to 7. 5 to 7. Okay, so they have liquidity down here as well on ES. Another 4 points lower. Mm-hmm. One minute. Grab it. Go up. Let's see. We're gonna try to catch this somewhere here. Let's see. Eight seconds. 5. I don't know. I think they need more than that. All right. The question is, ES took that liquidity? Yeah, they did. God damn it. All right. Liquidity taken. Now it's just, let's see if they're gonna go lower, grab more. Or we're gonna bounce off this level now. So ES made a new low. No. I feel a little bit better after they took the liquidity. But we can continue lower. I didn't see that, like a burst of stop losses. That's the problem. There you go. Okay, now I have to move my stop loss here. Because I want to add, if we might be adding like a very small position. 1,000. Something like that. Okay, now we have half an hour to lunch. If we're patient, they should take it to the top, no? I want to hold this because, in my opinion, yes, as well, just accessing all the block. So we're gonna get some buying here. ES took that liquidity, it took some of it. Most important thing, they took the stop losses here. So whoever was long was holding longs. I have been buying those longs, and if they had stop loss here, it has been taken out. And now we could get a. That is as well SMT situation, because ES made a new low, but NQ didn't, and we are bouncing off this level. I think we are. There you go, you see this? This is SMT. Smart money concept. Or smart money trade. And there you go. One of the best trades during the day, if it works. We should get up here. And then maybe even up there. Because now whoever was long gave what they had. Whoever is short and hoping for a drop lower will start to close position at this high. This high, at this high, and finally at this high. We should go there very, very fast. Oh, yeah. Okay. There we go. Now this short resistance will be swallowed. They already moving up. They already know what's happening. Let's go. This could be a half an hour trade now. This could be a half an hour trade. 23 minutes. Yeah. Let's go. I just even put some label on this SMT in the middle. SMT here. In the center. Just switch to 5. I'm so tempted to add. I might add on the pullback. If we get a pullback, I'm gonna add. Well, I'm not gonna chase this up. Yeah, now I feel much better about that long. Once we took the liquidity and we are sitting SMT. There's just no mercy for shorts right now. This is it. Honestly, I should be adding into that because that looks decent. Very, very decent. $39. Let's wait for a little pullback. Yeah, we have a fair value gap on 2 minutes. Basically here. Come on. Shit. Ah. Maybe I missed it by one point. Maybe no. Come on. That's a good sign. That is a good sign for a bullish. If I can't even get filled, that's a good sign for bullish action. Yeah, maybe no. Uh, 3 more minutes on this candle. There you go. It's going up. Very good. I'm not going to be adding. I don't want to, don't want to chase this. That was a good ad, but let's just hold. Trading is finding a place, enter a good trade, promising trade, and holding a position. Because this can give me a very, very good move to the upside. Look at that. That entry was beautiful. That will be already 20 points, 15 points. Next time. That's a little bit of profit taking up here, but don't be fooled to short this thing here after we took liquidity downstairs. Don't be fooled to short this thing. We did take that. All the longs gave position. And now we're going to drive shorts who are shorting. We're going to drive them into this high to sell it up here. And I would not be even surprised if we go higher. We start to push towards VWAP. So 48. Like 430 is like a minimum. It's like a minimum target. To be honest, that's the target. I might close it before because I don't think I want to stay too long in this, but I was always front running before the level. There we go. We are breaking that view up on my book map. 445 is final level of liquidity. $15 more minutes till lunch, so they have to hurry up. I'm just gonna put stop loss break even here. Take these shorts up now. Squeeze. Tempted to take half. Now I have to hold. I hope I'm not overstaying my welcome. God damn it. It's a 15, 11:45. So always between half an hour, you got, quarter of 15 minutes, and this is why the market likes to chop. It's a decent place to re-enter my shot. I still have to give space now. This is gonna drop. I'm gonna be really pissed. Okay. Buyers are stepping in. Good. Two more minutes on this candle. Decent pullback. $47.50. And we might get delivery at 50 and start to really go. 12:10. Doesn't look so scary anymore. Big boys minus 1,600. God damn it. $42, $48. 1 minute and 35 seconds on this candle. And next candle when it opens, we're gonna be at 50, and that should be a delivery time because we took liquidity from the sell side. Market should go higher. Oh, I don't like that thing. God damn it. Are you really? The market is weakest. Yeah. 13 seconds on this candle. All right. Let's switch to 5. And if they stop me out, I might re-enter. Yeah, we need to go above 430. I mean, that's the bit that's holding us. Okay, 11:50 delivery time according to ICT. Let's see if we're gonna get it this time. Because we didn't get it last time, but there was no liquidity sweep, so now we have a liquidity sweep. And I'm losing my patience, honest. Look at that. This 430 is just so stubborn. $425. Are you going to do it? Oh, fuck. It doesn't look like it. Ah, yeah. How about now? Hmm. Minus 1,000 delta. God damn it. squeeze them now. There we go. Perhaps now. What a waste. What a waste. One minute till the spirit close. We'll have stop losses up here. A lot of stop losses. Let's see. Okay. I think now could be the moment. So I really want to close this thing. I wanted to take half the top. Yeah, but it was a bit too late. Now I need to hold it still. What is this? Yeah. So we have a lot of stop losses right now on the buy side liquidity. Look at that. Yeah. Question is, how we're gonna go there? We're just gonna dump it. That's ridiculous. 57. But why would you go one more time if you didn't sell? Why would you go down if you didn't sell? 2 more minutes on this candle. It looks bearish as hell. No, I got enough of this. I'll re-enter it if the idea is to. $58. What it's doing is still has got that liquidity. Let's wait till they take it. We might go down here. That was a good decision. Should have fucking closed it there. But SMT didn't work. ES has got a lot of liquidity down here. NQ has got a down here, 390. Okay. I'm watching ES. It's approaching the low of the day. There we go. Getting into this liquidity. 59. New period just opened. This market is weak today. Very weak. Okay. ES is about to take stop losses. 5271. Let's see what Nasdaq's gonna do. I will just try quickly, but it's gonna be very quick. Just a little bounce. Thank you. And we'll see what's gonna happen next. They're gonna drive this up right now. I go smaller. All right, I think they're going now. They have a lot of liquidity up there. Yeah. Looks like they want. Just want to see quickly if ES took that low or it didn't take that low. I think it did. Oof. Now it's gonna go. You know what we're gonna do? Just gonna add. Okay, I got 4 p.m. 1000 delta on NQ. That's a good number. One more time, approaching this 425. One more time. One more time. Okay, I'm just gonna add one more. And one more. Let's see. If we're gonna get continuation on that move to the upside. So that was just dead cat bands. Momentum is to the upside. We had big boys was minus 1,600 something. Now is minus 1,567. So they did cover some of it. They did cover some of it. $603. Sorry, 1203. Squeeze down. Now squeeze. A lot of shorts. A lot of stop losses. Stop losses are here as well. Here. 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 The same on the ES. The ES has got a lot of stop. So we do have liquidity to sell into. We do have liquidity at 445 waiting. Yes, that's good. I mean, if we go through this, we're gonna get up there. Yeah, that's a nice candlestick. 25 points candlestick. Come on. You know you want it. $12.06. So that is literally a lunchtime. Meaning the bots are trading. And that means that we could just grind and grind and grind for an hour. Much up, much higher. Without any pullback. Because they like to do that. There we go. Let's go. I like that. Now, again, 25. Let's see if we're gonna like this 25 this time. So many times trying. Look on RTH. Yeah, push the view up here on RTH. It's doable. Come on. Take that 25. Again. Big boys minus 1,600. What is on ES? What is ES? ES minus 47. So ES as well doesn't look too good, to be honest. We were 1,000 plus something. Look at that. This 20 is so difficult. One more minute. It's a fair value gap, bearish fair value gap on 5 minute on the US, which is causing problem. But if we break through, it will become a support. Again, 10 past 4, 10 past 12. No liquidity on ES. I don't think we have. I still have a little bit of this liquidity. They can turn around. I tapped into it twice. Almost 3 times. Ugh. Come on. Sell something into this 30s. Bearish day. Trying too long. So weak. That's not a time for dropping. It's just a chop. That is just a chop. In the range. It's was it 12? 12, 12. Yeah. Mm. Patience. $14 past 12. Yeah, we need to go above this 25, 30. And then we can actually rip into the view up and above. We can do that on a half an hour point, like 12:30. I should not trade during the lunchtime. That's one of my rules, but because the liquidity has been taken so many times, I think we might get a little push. But if not, I might just close this. Yeah. Yeah. Lunchtime chop. Just take one, takes second one. Because it's lunchtime, so I don't trust this move. We can just chop around. We might get pushed, but because it's lunchtime, nothing works during the lunchtime, you know. We can get a push, but just gonna hold this too. See if we're gonna break that high now at 20. If we do, cool. If we don't, I'm closing, and that's the end of my trading for today. Okay, looking promising. Okay. $22 again. Problem. And it's lunchtime. So we might chop around. I'm gonna close this as well. Okay, so 531. That's okay, Date. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.